this morning in our walk here, so I have to use the phone because I had the wrong battery in my GoPro. Somehow turned it on and deleted the battery. I don't have the other one with me.
Where it's like the ground is almost bare.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you see a lot of the cordon blues, but there's one gray one.
Oh, we're out on another safari drive this afternoon. It's 27th of September 2021, and we're heading out, so we're bouncing around quite a bit. And the new GoPro seems to handle the stabilization quite well, because they're really doing some good bounces here. And they had a controlled burn here a while back to get rid of a lot of the shrubs where the flies nest and everything, so that's why you see the black spots there and different things, but it grows back real fast. You got tons of fertilizer from all the animals and whatever, so the ground is very good quality here. Okay.
Thank you.
A couple of zebras right along here. Not that many animals up in this section here, but we've seen a bazillion zebras here, so this is just 4 of them here. No big deal. Okay. There's a giraffe.
And she looks pregnant. Look how well tight. And the giraffe can keep the gestation period of giraffe is very long, 15 months. And 1 baby born.
Here he goes. He's going away. All right. Say bye-bye. I got the GoPro on. There's a leopard in this tree. Not this first tree. This second tree, but I don't know how to do a digital zoom on the new GoPro yet. So I'm going to do an inset in here with a picture of it in the video, so you should see it. There's a leopard. He's right up there. He's kind of sitting and relaxing in the baobab tree there. Here he is, right in the middle. He's right in the middle of the tree, so I got a pretty good view of him. And sitting here on this road. And pretty hard to catch with my camera here, but we got the sun in front of us here, so I hope the camera compensates for that sun. But we're all here snapping like crazy here. This is Snapaway City here in the van. Everybody's here.
Oh, we got the sun.
Be aggressive.
You're showing off here a little bit.
Support from other members.
All right, buddy, do your stuff now.
Your stuff here?
No, just here, up a little.
Do your best there, my friend. Yeah, we're here. All right, we got elephants over here. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. I think they look at us and know we're half lit with our brewskis, so they're not going to ram us or anything.
Its head.
Yeah, he's making a little show of force here. We give him a little respect. Respect, my friend.
Oh, there's a tiny baby over there.
Where's the tiny baby?
By this one.
Oh, it's behind a tree.
No.
Yes, I have the tree in my way. I can't see it. Because there's 5 of them there, right?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, okay. I only see 4. Oh, here he comes.
Oh, a little tiny one over by the right. The right. Do you see his ears going?
No,
The one, far.
I only see 4. The tree's blocking something here.
No, over here. Over here.
Oh, way down at the bottom, the
Oh,
teeny tiny one. Yes,
yeah.
yes. Now I see him. He's like light gray.
Did you take a good one for
I think so.
He's light gray.
because the lighting is good.
Did he kick the vehicle?
Yeah.
All right, buddy.
Yeah, I heard
We
the
got
kick.
you. Yeah, keep going. Keep going. Right about here. Have to wait till the dust settles here.
Okay.
There's a giraffe out here. He's going by. And I'm going to get the other camera out here in a second to get a picture of him. But he's right over there. You can see him. So he's looking good. A little slow. I have to get him. I want to get a picture of this guy too because he's looking toward me here. Hold on a second. All right, hold on there, Mr. Giraffe.